Welcome to the future of automotive diagnostics. Today, we're diving into the extraordinary capabilities of the CGSULIT SC880 Automotive OBD-II Diagnostic Scanner. Get ready to unlock a new level of precision, power, and performance for your vehicle. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, the SC880 has something to offer. In this video, we'll be going over its features, how to use it, and why it might be the right choice for you. So, what exactly can the SC880 do? Well, for starters, it can read and clear diagnostic trouble codes DTCs from your car's engine, transmission, ABS, seniors, and other systems. This can give you a good indication of what's wrong with your car and help you narrow down the source of the problem. The CGSULIT SC880 is not just a scanner, it's your trusted automotive companion. Let's explore its key features that make it stand out in the world of OBD-II diagnostic tools. Fast and accurate scanning. Say goodbye to guesswork. The SC880 provides lightning-fast and accurate scanning, allowing you to access real-time data about your vehicle's performance, instantly diagnose issues, and make informed decisions. Wide vehicle compatibility. Whether you drive a sedan, SUV, truck, or hybrid, the SC880 has you covered. Its extensive vehicle compatibility ensures that you can diagnose and troubleshoot a wide range of makes and models. Advanced code reading and clearing. No more mysteries under the hood. The SC880 not only reads diagnostic trouble codes DTCs but also allows you to clear them. Keep your vehicle running smoothly by addressing issues as soon as they arise. Live data streaming. Experience the power of live data streaming. The SC880 lets you monitor various parameters in real time, such as engine speed, temperature, and sensor readings. Stay in control and optimize your vehicle's performance. But that's not all. The CGSULIT SC880 goes above and beyond with additional features that make it a must-have tool for every automotive enthusiast and professional technician. User-friendly interface. Navigating through the scanner's menu is a breeze. The user-friendly interface ensures that both beginners and seasoned professionals can harness the full potential of the SC880 with ease. Compact and portable design. Designed for convenience, the compact and portable design of the SC880 means you can take it anywhere. Perform diagnostics in the garage, at the track, or even on the road. The power is in your hands. Perform special functions like resetting the oil light, bleeding the brakes, and calibrating the steering angle sensor. The SC880 is very easy to use. Simply plug the scanner into your car's OBD-II port, turn on the ignition, and select the function you want to use. The scanner's large color display is easy to read, and the menus are well organized. There's also a built-in help function that provides descriptions of all the different functions and how to use them. Here are some pros and cons about the CGSULIT SC880. Pros: affordable, easy to use, wide range of features, compatible with most cars, free lifetime updates. Cons: limited customer support. CGSULIT is a Chinese company, and customer support can be difficult to reach and may not be very helpful. Overall, the CGSULIT SC880 is a great choice for anyone who wants a powerful and affordable OBD-II diagnostic scanner. It's easy to use, has a wide range of features, and is compatible with most cars. If you're looking for a way to save money on car repairs and keep your car running smoothly, the SC880 is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the CGSULIT SC880, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.